Are you ready to enhance your procurement processes? This course dives into supplier lifecycle management, focusing on at-risk detection and corrective actions. Learn how to identify supplier issues early and implement effective solutions. 18-point score drops can go unnoticed in performance reviews. Managers often react only when issues are raised in meetings. By then, the damage is done. This lesson teaches proactive monitoring. It ensures timely corrective actions. Think of this system like credit monitoring. Credit alerts notify you when important changes occur. This lesson introduces a similar monitoring system for suppliers. The system helps identify risks before problems escalate. Early alerts allow teams to take proactive action. The at-risk scan reviews 120 rows of supplier data. It highlights significant score drops. You can prioritize actions based on supplier spend impact. This ensures strategic vendors receive immediate attention. Tail spend suppliers are monitored through a different review process. The lesson consists of 3 key steps. First, scan suppliers for score drops. Second, draft corrective actions. Third, update segmentation files. These steps streamline supplier management. Open your terminal and type Claude. Press Enter to start the process. Paste the scan instruction and execute. Claude will identify at-risk suppliers. Review the output carefully. Check that all suppliers show a 10-point drop or more. Ensure the list is accurate. Apex Electronics and Frontier Machining must appear. Address any discrepancies immediately. This step is crucial. Add annual spend data to the list. Resort suppliers by spend, not score drop. Save this as a report. This prioritizes strategic vendors. Tail spend suppliers are handled differently. For Apex Electronics, draft a corrective action plan. Use the provided template. Leave the root cause field as TBC. This helps maintain procedural accuracy. Save the document for review. Use the TBC placeholder until the investigation is complete. This avoids premature conclusions during the assessment process. Using TBC maintains procedural integrity and consistency. The supplier is responsible for identifying the actual root cause. It also supports fairness during contract discussions. A clear process helps reduce potential disputes. Check the corrective action plan for accuracy. Ensure the TBC placeholder is present. Confirm dates and required actions. The document must be clear and precise. This prevents future issues. Check the deadline for Frontier Machining. Calculate the remaining days accurately. Confirm the status as due today. Use the required format for segmentation updates. Accurate tracking is essential for audit readiness. Update the segmentation file with new data. Include specific dates and figures. Save as a new version. Ensure only necessary changes are made. This maintains the audit trail. The rule is to scan all suppliers before taking action. This helps prevent reactive management. Early scanning identifies issues before they escalate. Prioritize suppliers based on commercial exposure. This approach strengthens governance and decision-making. Sorting suppliers by point drop alone is a common mistake. It can create misaligned priorities and reactive decisions. Spending impact should guide supplier actions and escalation. Aligning spend with decisions improves strategic focus. This approach helps avoid prioritization errors. Better supplier management leads to stronger business results. Filling in the root cause too early is incorrect. It can weaken your position and credibility. The supplier must provide the verified root cause. This maintains procedural integrity throughout the process. Avoid assumptions in all documentation. Accurate records strengthen your position with facts. Not using a copy-pastable format for deadlines is inefficient. It requires manual summarization. This introduces errors. Use precise formats for updates. This streamlines the process. Updating the segmentation file in multiple saves is a mistake. It can complicate audits and create unnecessary versions. Make all required changes in a single save. This improves clarity, consistency, and efficiency. A structured update process supports better audit readiness. In the next lesson, you'll learn about exit workflows. This includes drafting termination notices. You'll update files for offboarding. Prepare for the transition process. See you in Lesson 5. Thank you. You've learned to scan suppliers effectively. Prioritize based on spend and act decisively. This ensures better supplier management.